Let me ask you something. Have you ever got into an Uber or Lyft here in Virginia and just assumed you'd be covered if anything went wrong? Most people do. And honestly, that's exactly how folks end up blindsided when a crash actually happens. I'm Ryan Wynn, owner of Wynn Injury Law, and I talk with people on a weekly basis who are dealing with rideshare accidents all across Virginia. So if you're dealing with a rideshare accident, or you just want to know the truth before something happens, stick with me. And if what I'm saying hits close to home, reach out. My team handles these cases every day, and we can guide you through the entire Virginia rideshare accident claim process. Myth 1, my personal auto policy will cover me if I'm driving for Uber or Lyft. You have car insurance, so of course it should apply, right? But here's the reality in Virginia. Most personal auto policies specifically exclude commercial use, which means if you're driving for Uber or Lyft without a rideshare endorsement and you get hit, your insurance company can and usually will deny your claim. And the reason is simple. The policy was never designed for rideshare work. That's why talking to a rideshare accident lawyer in Virginia early matters. Myth 2, don't worry, Uber or Lyft will cover everything. I wish it worked like that. I really do. But rideshare insurance coverage depends completely on what the driver was doing at the exact moment of the crash. If the driver is offline, there's no coverage. If the app is on but they are waiting, there's limited coverage. If they're on their way to pick someone up or have a passenger in the vehicle, that's when the bigger $1 million policy applies. My job is to put the entire picture together for you so you're not left guessing. Myth 3, I can sue Uber or Lyft directly. And look, I understand the emotion behind that, but legally, it's not that simple. These companies classify their drivers as independent contractors, not employees. So most of the time, the claim goes through the driver's insurance first, then the rideshare company's commercial policy if the situation allows. Could you bring a claim directly against Uber or Lyft? Sometimes yes, but it's rare. Myth 4, as a passenger, I might be blamed for the accident. Almost never. I tell my clients all the time, unless you grab the wheel, block the driver's eyes, or interfere somehow, you're not going to be found at fault. Myth 5, if it involved a scooter or bike, it's automatically the driver's fault. A rideshare or scooter accident in Virginia can involve multiple responsible parties. That's why we gather evidence immediately. Videos, app data, road conditions, witness statements, because the truth isn't always obvious in these cases. So what should you do right after a rideshare accident? Check for injuries, even ones that don't seem serious at first, and don't hesitate to call 911. Next, get the police involved. Having that official report makes a huge difference when you're trying to get your claim handled. And while you're at the scene, take as many photos and videos as you can. At the same time, make sure you save all your ride details in the app. Driver's info, license plate, the exact trip time. And don't wait too long to report the crash in the app itself. That creates an official record on their end. Finally, call a lawyer early. That way you can focus on getting better while we handle the rest. If you're dealing with an Uber or Lyft accident in Virginia, or you just need clarity from someone who handles these cases every day, reach out. My team and I at Wynn Injury Law are here to walk you through every step, answer any questions you have, and make sure you're protected. Stay safe out there, and if you ever need help, you know where to find us. We are Wynn Injury Law, and we are here for you, Virginia.